had an apartment in the city. Me and Loretta like living there. It's been years since the kids have grown a life of their own. They left us alone. John and Linda live in Omaha. Joe is somewhere on the road. We lost Davy in the Korean War. Still don't know what for. Doesn't matter anymore. You know that old trees just grow stronger. Old rivers grow wider every day. Old people just grow lonesome, waiting for someone to say hello in there, hello. Me and Loretta, we don't talk much more. She sits and stares to the back door screen. All the news just repeats itself like some forgotten dream that we both seen. Someday I'm going to call up Rudy. We work together in the factory. What'll I say if he asks what's new? Nothing, what's with you? Nothing left to do. Know that old trees just grow stronger. Old rivers grow wider every day. Old people just grow lonesome, waiting for someone to say hello there, hello. If you're walking down the street sometime, spot some hollow ancient eyes, please don't pass them by and stare as if you didn't care. Say hello in there, hello. Know that old trees just grow stronger. Old rivers grow wider every day. Old people just grow lonesome, waiting for someone to say hello in there, hello. Hello there, hello. John Prine. Every single night and day, I promise I will kneel and pray, listen to what you have to say. And then when my day is done, and I want to be alone, these tokens will help me on my way. Key to the door, the ship to the shore. A place on the last bus going home. Key to the door, the ship to the shore. A candle in the window, the welcome. As I walk these empty streets alone, I can feel your hand upon my own. There's comfort in your company today. And I can smile on days gone by, before there was you and I, those crazy days when I had strayed away. Key to the door, the ship to the shore. A place on the last bus going home. Key to the door, the ship to the shore. The candle in the window, the welcome. Seasons come, the seasons go, the wheel turns round fast and slow. The more I find out, the less I know. But my heart keeps longing for a night beside the ocean's roar, and a place on the last bus to your door. Key to the door, the ship to the shore. A place on the last bus going home. Key to the door, the ship to the shore. The candle in the window, the welcome. The candle in the window, the welcome. Chord, whatever.
Yeah. As long as it's only the one, it's not too bad.
Yeah, the late Tony Small, one of his songs. He's a mighty songwriter.
Yeah, we'll play another couple of old tunes. First one is the Yellow Tinker, I should say, not the Yella.
The yellow one.
The yellow one. And then the second one is, I think it's the Drunken Tinker. It's another class of a tinker anyway. It's either the drunken one or the jolly one. It's the same thing maybe, a jolly and a drunken tinker. And the last one is called The Sailor on the Rock. Totally unrelated to tinkers.
Absolutely. Sorry, sir.
Right.
That first tune must be, God knows how old it is.
Ah,
Long
exactly. I don't even think the Yellow Tinker knows how old it is.
That's right. He did not. What about a bit of Ricky Skaggs? It's
Yep.
probably gone away from our roots now, slightly, call him this.
It's going away from ours and towards somebody else's.
F, is it?
F, yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to do the two of them.
Yeah.
Right. Roses bloom.
Right.
Wait, hold on.
My heart is sad and I am lonely. Oh, for the only woman I love. Where shall I see her? No, no, never. Till we meet in heaven above. So bury me beneath the willow, under the weeping willow tree, so she will know where I am sleeping, and perhaps she'll weep for me. She told me that she dearly loved me. How could I believe it untrue? Until the angel softly whispered, she will prove them true to you. So bury me beneath the willow, under the weeping willow tree, so she will know where I am sleeping, and perhaps she'll weep for me. Tomorrow was our wedding day. Oh God, where can she be? She's out a courting with another, and no longer cares for me. So bury me beneath the willow, under the weeping willow tree, so she will know where I am sleeping, and perhaps she'll weep for me. Where the roses bloom while she lies sleeping, and where the flowers shed their petals there, where the dewdrops fall upon the roses, where my darling sleeps beneath the stars. Her lips were like a bunch of roses, her eyes were like the twilight sky. Her hair was dark and it was curly, and I loved her till the day I died. Where the roses bloom while she lies sleeping, where the flowers shed their petals there, where the dewdrops fall upon the roses, where my darling sleeps beneath the stars. I miss my darling, she has left me. She sleeps beneath the twilight sky. I miss her more now since she has left me, Lord. I know we've said our last goodbye. Where the roses bloom while she lies sleeping, with the flowers shed their petals there. Where the dewdrops fall upon the roses, are my darling sleeps beneath the stars.
So yeah, we're going to finish off with a set of reels to round it all up. These are two tunes called the Copper Plates, the old one and the new one, or the new one and the old one. Which way they go? So thanks a million. Good night. God bless. Safe home.
That's right.
Thanks a million.